can read more about the 2-year study I did with this program on my Substack. After they've placed their 3 objects, designate the facilitator's location as the audience and ask the participants to write down the locations in their journal based on the universal layout that we've been practicing for the last few weeks. Remember, a designated fixed point, in this case we're labeling it as the audience, is how the participant will anchor their awareness. As we work to fine-tune their situational awareness, we'll start to incorporate that perspective into as many exercises as possible, with the ultimate goal of incorporating that into your life. Now, before you begin the moving meditation, ask participants to remind themselves of the images that they use for the coordination flow. That same connected, flowing movement, that image will guide them through this meditation as well. After completing a predetermined number of rounds, ask participants how the image affected their movement. Next, I'm adding a visual exercise. I applied the concept of small but efficient movement found in Awareness Through Movement by Moos Feldenkrais. Where you're looking has an effect on what your body does. Begin by focusing on your eyeballs only. Separate that movement from any other muscle engagement. You might be surprised to realize that your tongue goes to the roof of your mouth, or your shoulders are tense. Maybe you're gripping your toes. Try to just focus on moving your eyeballs in their eye sockets using those muscles only. You may have noticed a few times my forehead muscles go up. It's hard to do, but you really need to set your mind on just the eye muscles. Decide very specifically and very intentionally what you're going to look at. And so you're looking at something to the right, and you're looking at something to the left, or you're looking at something up, or you're looking at something down. And there's a very specific object that you're looking at each time. You're very clearly seeing that object, what shape it is, what color it is, where it's located in your visual field of vision, what you think it maybe would feel like, just any kind of sensory kind of recognition that you can give yourself, so that when you close your eyes, then you are recreating that image as clearly and as specifically as you can. And after you do that 25 times in one direction, up and down or right and left, and then you close your eyes and you repeat that exercise, but in your mind. So you're mentally going through the exercise, you're actually going through the exercise, and the effect that has on those muscles is remarkable. Now, randomly determine where the audience or the observer is. Mentally recall where the objects are using that perspective, and then go and retrieve them.